Welcome to Skills Cymru 2010. It's the biggest skills and careers event Wales has ever seen.
It's great to see so many people here for what I think will be a great and very interesting day.
It's quite clear we have economic problems all across the world, economic problems in Europe, economic problems here in Wales. And the one way to get through this is to gain skills and to use the time to get better, whatever it is you do or whatever it is you want to do.
I'm absolutely delighted to be here for this, the largest skills and careers event ever held in Wales.
Well, it's really important that young people and adults know what skills are available and what career opportunities are available. It's particularly important that we're in post-recession now, and as we come out of the recession, it's very important that the employers have the skills that they need and require.
Well, it's very big. I didn't think it was going to be this much here.
It shows you opportunities, job opportunities there. Well, I never thought about joining the Queen Dragoon Guard line.
I should tell them to come because it's really useful to see what there is out there.
You get different ideas of what's out there and what you can do. Or they're missing out on something really good. Lots of things to do here.
Because every opportunity that's available for students is showcased here today, so that they can come to one place to have a look at everything that's available for them and to make an informed choice.
They're contained here, and there's enough, I think, to keep them interested. 30 very, very different people. They'll all want to be looking for different things, so that's why we've come to this one. Because we did have an invite to a different one, but I brought them to this one.
Try it. Like it. Work it.